The 2025 Suzuki XL7 features a bold and dynamic exterior design characterized by a rugged chrome grille and sleekly integrated LED headlamps. This SUV not only boasts a striking appearance, but is also equipped with hybrid performance capabilities, enhancing fuel efficiency while delivering reliable power. Inside, the XL7 offers a spacious and comfortable interior, making it suitable for families and individuals alike. Remember to double check for the latest specifications and details as they may change.